Hello, my name is Joshua. I'm a heavy equipment fitter at XCMG. First things first, safety. Look around, assess the area. All obstruction, one is something stop, clearing past time. Talk lo operator before lo kalap lo machine bayu behind him signal bro spot atas all. Day 3 mikla assembly ma loader wheel loader ZL50GN. Hello day 3 mikla bin assembly disla bucket bin kam all no bin installing ba kam lo factory o second so mikla assembly disla bucket ya. So assembly bucket mikla bin di ma triple man one pla operate narapla sana spota na miet mi line ma putin pinigo. So time operator sit down antap na spota work lo give him signal now mikla line him disla frame ya. Put him bucket in place, line him disla frame now. Control ma operator lo line him up disla all boya, and then we put in disla pin. Yeah. First of all, we put in disla 2 plus side pin past time, because by you can up yung guantap na down him na disla kay now by line him disla middle one. Yeah. So one time positive communication, we successfully install him disla bucket.